our channel. In this informative video we will show you how to create backup in your WordPress website. So we need to click on the plugin, and then you need to click on the add new, and then you need to click on search for Updraft plugin. So if you are not here that how I can log in my WordPress website, so you can easily check this video. Click on the I button. So when you search Updraft, you need to click on the Updraft WordPress backup migration by UpdraftPlus.com. Click on the install button and then click on the activate button. So when you click on the activate button, so you need to set up this plugin so that you can create backup. So when you create a backup, so you can easily restore at any time if you have any stuck related. So you don't click on the backup at this time. You need to click on the setting and set up this backup schedules. So if you are click on the weekly, so they will automatically weekly backup, and you need to click on, when you click on the daily, so vice versa. So you need to click on the 5 2 or 1. It means that they will daily basis, and they will backup at 5 times or 3 times. So this is the actual meaning of this database. So I am creating a backup in my Google Drive. This is a very simple method, that's why I am clicking the Google Drive. You need to click on the plugins, theme and Updraft, and then you need to uncheck the email if you don't need to emails, etc. So this is the complete setting. You don't skip the video. Please check on the save changes, and you need to click on the sign in with Google Drive, because we add Google Drive. Click on the email button and access them to UpdraftPlus, that they can easily access your Google Drive folder. So then click on the complete setup button, and then you will be redirected to this plugin setting. So we know we are creating that how we can create backup in Google Drive. So this is a complete, so you do need to click direct backup. No, click on the backup button and then click on the backup new. So when you click on the backup new, they will be backupping your website. This is the very simple steps. So when you firstly install the Updraft plugin, you don't need to click on the directly backup button. You need to select the backup folder like Google Drive, Chrome, and etc. So we are creating backup in our Google Drive section. And plus when you click on the setting button that we recently created, so weekly and per day, they will automatically backup weekly basis or daily basis when you click on the setting. So they are creating the backup of our WordPress website. So when we feel any difficulty, like accidentally we delete post, accidentally we delete pages or etc, themes, whatever it is, so when you the backup here, so you will easily restore it. We are going to show you in the video, so let's stay tuned. You can see that our backup is finishing up, and you need to click on the close. So our backupping is finishing up. So then click on the restore and restore button, that you can easily restore. So now our backup is ready. So we are going to delete one post, that how we can easily access that without I'm going to delete this post. I am going to always delete from trash. Let's see that our complete published post is 14 at that time when we delete a post. And when we restore the through UpdraftPlus, you can easily see that our published post will be 15, and our this when the click on the restore button and click on the plugins, themes, uploads, other database, and click on the next button. So you can easily see when the restore is finishing up, you can easily see that our delete post will be coming to restore. So this is the very simple method to restore any post or etc whatever it is. So wait for to restore it. When the WordPress website is restored, so you can easily check the our delete post. So our restore is done, and then you need to click on the next button, and then you can see click on the restore button, and then you need to drag down and click on the next button, and then you need to click on the return updraft configuration, and then you will see that our delete post will come into restore. When you click on the notice that our previously bin post is ready to restore, and first when we delete the post, our published post is 14, and now you can see that our published post is 15. So this is the very simple method that how you can create a backup, and how you can and when you delete a post pages accidentally, so you can easily restore it by this simple method. You can see that our deleted post is here live in the WordPress website. So this is the beauty of Updraft plugin. So this is the simple and clear method of how to create backup of your WordPress website.